Anke bafowethu, so ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoRhulani Mokwena. So uRhulani Mokwena ucoach i-team yaseMorocco abayibiza iWydad Casablanca, yabo. So last season azange qualify for CAF Champions League, njalo ihlezi ku-CAF Champions League. Bayiqeda ukuyiwina I think few years back nje, one of the recent champions, ingakho baya ku-World Cup. But uRhulani Mokwena ngeke aye ku-FIFA Club World Cup acoach le team le. I think the biggest problem ukuthi ulwa namafans awamfuni. But akusi just inkinga yamafans kuphela. ENorth Africa ama-Arab awathanda ukuthi abantu abamnyama babe kuma-leadership positions. Even uPeter Mosimane wayecoach i-Al Ahly wawina ama-Champions League ayi-2 wadliwa kwi-1. Ngicabanga winning ama-3 ama-cup awu-2 amakhulu e-Africa, but still they don't want you to coach ngoba abazwani kahle. Even ama-legend wesimba wangafuni ukuthi acoach i-team, bahlezi bamcriticize ngezinto ey'ningi ey'bhedayo, but on the field beka-deliver. So inkinga kaRhulani Mokwena ukuthi umuntu omnyama ucoach eMorocco. La eMorocco khona bahambisani nabantu abamnyama, so ababona abantu abamnyama kuma-leadership positions isikhathi esiningi. I'm sorry to play i-race card, angisumuntu mina walezi zinto zama-race othanda ukukhuluma ama-race, but uRhulani Mokwena uthola i-team ibheda. Basayina ama-player 26 new players. Kumele reconstruct i-team, ayiqalele phansi, ayibuild i-foundation yakhona, bamnika isikhathi inyana, but they're not willing to do that, yabo. Instead ne-management ayimdefendi ngaleyo ndlela. I-management ikhipha i-statement ukuthi uRhulani Mokwena yaze mbambisa ne-meeting ukuthi akangangeni indaba zama-fans ukuthi athini nge-team, but kumele angazingeni kanjani indaba zama-fans. Ama-fans amphosela ngey'gubha or amabhodlela makalapha kuthanele, balwa naye njalo. uRhulani Mokwena uyabonisa ukuthi there's hope ku-team yakhe la ecoachayo, ngoba uhlala ku-position 2 aphinde ahlale ku-4, like uyaphansi naphezulu. Kuyabonakalisa ukuthi okay, is in a right path ukuthi labo ayibuyisele i-team ku-Champions League. Bane-chance ukuthi ba-qualify back ku-Champions League. Ama-requirement wakhe ukuthi aye ku-Champions League, qualify back to Champions League ngoba bangaqualifyanga, ngoba they are the sleeping giants. Team one of the biggest teams yaselokhunjani yase-Morocco, but ikabekho ku-Champions League this season, which is bad. uRhulani Mokwena bambizela ukuthi qualify back ku-Champions League, but bayamlwisa, abamiye ukuthi azenzele umsebenzi wakhe kahle. Still bayamlwisa, abayilwisa kakhulu ukuthi abafuna ukucoachwa umuntu omnyama, noma enawo ama-results amahle, but still kunaleyo nto leyo ukuthi why lo muntu lo. They would rather be coached by abelungu than ukuthi babe nomuntu omnyama. It's a race thing nje kuphela, yiKenya.